Well, the Benji Mouse is well and truly met. We've just had refreshments over there and a bit of a catch-up. And now, time is short. We are not going to Matlock Bath. We are heading back down the A515 to Birmingham, where the Benji Mouse lives. Very nice Kawasaki Z900 there, look. And there are lots and lots and lots of motorcycles out today. A sunny bank holiday weekend. Why would they not be? In legs down, Larry, look. So Benji Mouse has the Osmo Action 4 on the front of his motorcycle. Osmo Action 6 on my helmet. Let's get some footage. Heading out of Ashbourne then, out onto the A515, an absolutely delightful road that takes us down through Staffordshire and on to Lichfield and then into Birmingham. Benji Mouse is sporting his new motorcycle helmet that he bought specially for his new scrambly wambly bike with the big fat tyres, look, and the probably barely legal number plate that he's had fitted. He is, it seems, very, very much enamoured of this new motorcycle. He says it's 10 times more fun than his previous Speed Triple. He has indeed just been waxing lyrical about it, and at the same time expressing his disapproval of the Murgatroyd's choice of next motorcycle. The Murgatroyd is pretty much set, having passed her A2 licence on Thursday. Congratulations, Murgatroyd, on a Royal Enfield 350 of some variety, or possibly a Benelli 400 Imperial. We're going to look at a Royal Enfield Hunter, a Royal Enfield Meteor, and the Benelli Imperial on Wednesday. Okay, Mouse? You've got earplugs in and you can't hear me, and you look like a motocross kid. He's also got his new riding jacket on, which is basically Under Armour. But it is bakingly hot, and I am only wearing my Under Armour today as well. So we're going to ride out of Ashbourne. I'm going to have an overtake and we'll get some footage of me riding from behind from the camera on the Benji Mouse's motorcycle. I've got to stop calling him the Benji Mouse. He's now known as ScramblerMouse. And he's also just told me that he has now had this motorcycle for a whole 50 days. This is day 50. Sometimes he's kept motorcycles for less time than that. But I don't know. I think he might have finally found his motorcycle. He says that it does everything that he wants a motorcycle to do, and he's not going to take silly risks and do stupid things on it because it's not that kind of motorcycle. It certainly sounds nice with its slash pipes. It's got a nice hearty rumble to it.
Welcome to the feast, my whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat, ayy. You know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast, my whole team.
And a lovely upright riding position also, which he's enjoying.
Everybody eat, ayy. You know I'm a beast.
Can I run up the score, run up the board, breaking them all, ayy, ayy. Walking the door, you know what happened, we step on the floor, ayy, ayy.
Two wheels, two wheels. And through we go. Cheers, Benji Mouse.
Welcome to the feast, my whole team off the leash. We don't know defeat. Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast. Welcome to the feast, my whole
Well, I hope
team
you're
off the
enjoying
leash.
this little film.
We don't know defeat.
I'm certainly having fun making it. It's always delightful to catch up with the Benji Mouse. Especially in such a fabulous place as this. Two wheels. Oh, yes indeed. These are the joys of motorcycling.
Everybody eat. Ay, you know I'm a beast. You know I'm a beast.
So yeah, really looking forward to enjoying the evening with the Benji Mouse. We're going from his house in Birmingham to the theatre in Worcester in the Benji Mouse's car. So yes, if you're enjoying this little film and you haven't already subscribed to the channel, now might be the right time to do it. So go ahead, hit that button. Remember, we are the mighty Guru Yoghourt. There goes the Benji Mouse. Much more torque than I've got on the magnificent beast here.